All right, it looks like we're live, and let me go and make sure that the title came up. Yep, we good, Russell.
All right, man.
We are good. Let me check on YouTube. And guys, if you're tuning in to this live feed, let us know where you're tuning in from. I'm gonna let Facebook do its thing and grab a few of you guys. Yeah, look like we're good on YouTube as well. So we're in business, man. We are in business, Russell. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ontarian Hawkins. I'm the passive income guru coming to you from Oklahoma. I have a good friend of mine, Russell, here that you see with me. And Russell, where are you located, buddy?
I'm actually in Philadelphia, PA.
Philadelphia, PA. Now, I know, brother, if it's 30-some degrees here, it got to be cold there.
Man, it's cold. It's cold up here, bro.
What's the temperature
down there where you are?
Man, hey, we got rain and cold. That combination right there it'll keep you in the bed most of the day.
You're right.
But man, glad to have you. We got some for those of you who are coming on, we got a special treat for you guys. As always, guys, I am here to give you information that's going to help you make passive income. That's always been my method of operation for all these years. And for those of you who don't know me, you're coming new to my Facebook or my YouTube, make sure you subscribe there. My goal is to help you make money, guys. There's a lot of opportunities out there. Okay, you can go to Google, you can go to YouTube and type in home-based business opportunities. You can type in how to make passive income. You're going to get a slew of information. And how do you know which one is going to help you make money? How do you know who's real? How do you know the one that is going to actually help you? Well, there's a couple of things that you can look at. First of all, how long has the person or individual been doing this? Okay, are they just coming online, or have they been doing this for a long time? You can look at my track record. I started this YouTube channel and I started my Facebook around the same time. Right, my YouTube channel I started around 2014 in July. My Facebook, actually, I've been on Facebook a little longer. I've been on Facebook well over 7 years. And I've been doing the same thing, guys, over and over again. And that same thing has been passive income, okay? Helping you make passive income. I've been a full-time entrepreneur since 2013 and 14. So it's been a great ride since, all right? And today, one of the opportunities that I'm in, which is a sweet deal, can help you make passive income in your sleep. If you ever wondered, are people making money in their sleep? Are people making money while they're on vacation? Is it possible to make money while you're working your job? Yes, it is. You know, I used to think it was all a hoax or a scam, but come to find out for myself and for many others that I've worked with, it's true. Okay, the only thing that's holding you back from making the same amount of money or the same money passively is your belief level, is your level of faith. Okay, and when you combine both of those, your belief level and your level of faith, you're going to take a risk. When you take a risk, there's always a reward in the end. Now, are we saying that that there's a guarantee that you're going to make money? No. All right, there's no guarantees. But what we're going to show you today, guys, and I got to give a disclaimer before we start. The disclaimer is we are going to be talking about an investment opportunity today, an investment opportunity that can change your life. Can we guarantee that you're going to make money? No. Can we guarantee percentages? No. What we can do is say this: if you follow the rules, you can see a positive outcome. We can say that with all confidence. So without further ado, guys, we got people coming on. Russell, welcome again, sir. Tell everyone who you are, about yourself, and how we came across each other, man, and how long you've been following the passive income train.
Well, bro, like I told you earlier, I've been following you probably for about 4 years now.
Okay.
I'm in the Philadelphia area, and I've been in sales for 25 years. I work with a very large home improvement company. I'm in sales with them for a few years now. But Ontarian Hawkins has been someone who I've actually looked up to when it comes to passive income, because I've been wanting to go this direction for a while now. And thanks to him, with this AZHA Autobot software, it's been a blessing to my life. And I just thank God for this brother right here, man. This is my buddy.
Yes, sir. Hey, man. Hey, we've been connected for a minute. We've done some programs together in the past, and I'm grateful that you stuck to the game. Most people, like we, before we got on here, Russell, we talked about how most people, when they don't see some type of positive outcome in their business right away, they quit, right? They run away, and that's not what you want to do, ladies and gentlemen. You want to stick to the game. If you didn't know it yet, it took me 5 years to have my first breakthrough. And in those 5 years, guys, I spent countless money. I was scammed out a lot of money. Okay. And you talk to any successful entrepreneur, ask them before they had their consistency of making money and being the full-time entrepreneur, right? Ask them if they lost money, up to that point. They're going to tell you 100% yes, because that's what it takes. It takes money. It takes risk. Okay. It takes maybe losing some money before you get the gold nugget that you've been searching for. And that's what Russell's done. Russell stuck to the game long enough. Before you found me, was you still looking for things and trying things at the same time?
Yeah, I was actually trying things more in like the, commercial cleaning and, trying to get into the, buy a franchise and different things like that I've tried. Never really focused online business, should I say, until I came across your Facebook page, I believe it was.
Okay.
So you kind of turned me on to the whole, being successful online. And that's something that piqued my interest, because if I could be successful online without actually physically being, in a physical business outside of that, that's really the ideal situation. And that's what I wanted to achieve. So I had stuck with you, man. And, like I told you earlier, I've tried several different platforms with you, but this right here is changing my life, man. This AZHA, this autopilot software is just changing my life forever. By the end of the year, I should be able to replace my income and be able to retire.
Wow.
Because of that. And you're talking about a significant income that I had to replace. So thanks to AZHA, this is going to allow me to, walk away from my job, and replace a 6-figure income.
That's amazing, brother. Now, when you say significant, we're talking what, 6 figures or more?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Close to 2. Yeah, close to 2.
So you telling me, and guys, I want you to listen closely to what Russell is saying, ladies and gentlemen. Now, let me just say this before I get into that, Russ. How long have you been using this software?
I've only been using the software for 5 weeks. This is actually 5 weeks in one day. And this morning, I actually woke up. I woke up because I know Mondays are generally slow.
Right.
But I woke up and I had over $500 just in my sleep. Made over $500 in my sleep just last night with the software.
So up to $500.
Yeah. Right now, I think it's like $569 so far, just today. So and I made most of that in my sleep.
Did you hear that, ladies and gentlemen? Did y'all hear what he just said? He made most of it in his sleep. All right. I do these videos, guys, for a reason, so you can hear this. These type of videos are for the skeptics. These are for the optimistic and the pessimist. These are for those who say internet money is a scam, online opportunities is a scam. This is for you. For those, and I know you guys are always watching. I do this because I want you to listen from, because I can post images all day long. There's fake profiles out there, but these videos you cannot refute from the horse's mouth, from the person's mouth who's actually experiencing this, guys. You can't refute it. Documentation beats conversation, guys. He's already woken up. He's already woke up to 500 plus. Now he's over $560 for the day already, and the day's not even over. This is a slow day. All right? We're going into election week next week, so it's crazy. Okay, this software is life changing, guys. So Russ, you're looking to retire, replace your 6-figure income. You've only been using the software for 5 weeks. It's a little over a month and a day. I mean, a month and a week. That's nothing. Okay. What have you? So you made over. What total have you made so far in 5 weeks?
Well, so far, including today, I'm close to $8,000 for, since I've been with AZHA.
$8,000 in a week, in a month, in a week.
A month and 1 day. Well, actually 5 weeks and 1 day.
5 weeks and 1 day, $8,000. I want you guys to let that sink in. Now, the great thing, and I always emphasize this, the great thing, and I'm going to show you guys the power of compounding here toward the end of the video. Not only has he made the 8,000, but his new balance is going to take into effect the compound, the eighth wonder of the world. Now his money is going to be compounded and leveraged on the new balance that he has from the 8,000 profit that he's made. Okay. So as I always say, guys, if your money is not working for you, you're missing out on a big chunk of the pie when it comes to entrepreneurship. Becoming an investor is going to help you to kind of fall back a little bit, right? A lot of you're working your job, you have something what's called a 401k. Russell, does this blow the 401k out of the water?
Absolutely. I mean, this is like a 401k on steroids.
On steroids. Legally.
Legally. There you go. Legal. Yeah. So this is all, bro. This is it right here, man.
Man, I tell you what, I'm looking at some comments over here. We'll get to some questions and comments here later, but people are looking for something like this, Russell. This is what people need. Would you agree that during the pandemic and the elections are coming up, these times of uncertainty, and what I mean uncertainty is tomorrow somebody can go in their job and get let go or fired or whatever because of the pandemic. It's wreaking havoc. I don't see it slowing down at all, to be honest with you. Yeah. And a lot of these jobs, of course, you got people who are able to work from home. You got home school going on. We're seeing something that we've never seen before in this nation. You go out to a store or a restaurant and people don't have a mask on. That's abnormal. Okay. Yeah. But most of all, the financial markets are being hit hard. The corporations all around the world are being hit hard. So this type of system, Forex guys in general, is a safety net. Okay. I always tell people, if you get into AZHA, you can also, and I actually always encourage to learn the skill as well. You learn the skill. And then you'll have a license not only to print money in AZHA on hands-free, but you'll have a license to print money on demand. Okay, that's called diversification. That's called being smart. All right, this is something you can pass on down to your kids as well. So, Russell, do you have children?
Yes, I do.
So, man, this is something you can pass down to them and generations to come, brother.
Yeah, I have one daughter. She's 23. She just graduated college, and this is something that I'm going to pass on to her when she's ready.
Wow, man, that's a big deal, bro.
Yeah,
big deal. So one more question, Russ.
Yes, sir.
So you're looking to retire at the end of the year?
Yes, sir. December this year.
And you've been in your current job for how many years?
We've been doing, home improvement for about 4 years now.
Okay.
And before that, like I told you earlier, before that, in the alarm business, security business, same thing, same area, sales. Sales professional for 25 years now.
So with sales is can be cutthroat, man. Sales can be, some days up, some days down.
Yes,
it's a breath of fresh air to have something like AZHA in your back pocket. That, man, I'm able to make money in my sleep. I mean, come on. This is a dream come true.
Yeah, man.
What do you say to someone that says, you know what, this all sounds good, but I still think it's too good to be true? What do you say to someone like that? Because they're out there and they're going to look at the video. They're probably looking at it right now and they're going to say, it's too good to be true. What do you say to somebody like that?
Well, I mean, the Forex market is not going anywhere. This is something that you could also learn on your own. But because of, AZHA, the Autobot, you could actually learn on your own and still make money while you learn. So this is something that, I would encourage you to get off the fence if this is something that you've been thinking about doing, because the Forex market is not going anywhere.
That's right.
And one other thing that I encourage you to do is, if you do decide to sign up with the AZHA software, get your account managed. Ontarian, he manages accounts, and have him manage your account. They know what they're doing, and that's something that I would encourage you to do, just so that you'll have the level of comfort that you need in order to venture out into this area.
Perfect. And I know your account is being managed. I wish I was able to manage your account, man. But
okay. I didn't know you managed accounts, bro.
Oh yeah, man. I'm one of those silent managers, man, on the back end.
Oh man.
Well, it's all good. One of my partners is taking really good care of you, man, and I'm glad to. It's been a joy to see your results that you post every day in the Facebook group. The gradual increase in your account.
Yes, sir.
Your account is going to be huge in the next. I can imagine what it's going to be the next 90 days.
Oh man, well, that's what I told him. AZHA set me up, bro. Set me up for retirement, man.
That's what I'm talking about, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Well, let me see if we got any questions over here, man, for you. We got Mr. Steve tuning in from the Bay Area as always. What's going on, my friend? Willie Jones, that's my boy right there. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting to hear this story. I've seen posts on Facebook. What's up, Willie? Yes, sir, man. Glad for you to come on. Yes, sir. Risk management. All right. Looking for some. Anybody have any questions? I'm just scrolling down here. Here we go. We got one for you here, Russell. He said, how did you start with? Steve did.
I started with $1,000 after I purchased the software. I just wanted to see how test out the program, and put $1,000 in there, and automatically the next day I was profiting. I can't remember what actually I made, but I started making money the very next day I made my deposit.
All right. And the software, guys, goes to work for you immediately. As soon as it hooks up, it's working for you. Okay. For those of you who know about trading, okay, this kind of give you a little overview of how the software works. The software uses what's called a Martingale strategy. It trades off of the 4-hour chart. Okay, what does that mean? When you go to a Forex chart, you pull it up and you go to the 4-hour time frame. Each of the candles that you see are 4 hours. So it takes 4 hours for each candle to form. Okay. So the AZHA software trades off of that. Okay. It is in essence, it's a swing trading robot. I love that about it. It's a swing trading robot because of the higher time frame. Now the Martingale strategy, what it does is, as the market is trending up in the buy, the AZHA trader is placing sales. So it's looking for what's called retracements or reversals in the market, and vice versa. As the market is trending down in a sale or shorting, it's placing buys to catch the reversal or the retracements. That's exactly what the AZHA trader does. So it is a very intelligent Forex trading robot software, EA. And I always say on my videos, it is the best expert advisor software in the world. Here's another proof of Russell right here that I'm able to say that and say it with confidence. What makes it the best in the world to me? Well, first of all, we have countless testimonials. Okay, not only the ones that I've showed you just a few, but in the group, in our Facebook group, countless testimonials, guys. It is a sophisticated software. I've used EAs before in the past. Most of them trade off of the lower time frame, like the minute or the 5 minute. When you have one that trades off of the 4-hour time frame, it makes it more applicable for the Forex trader, those who know exactly what the Forex trading market does and how it's actually best to trade manually on a higher time frame. So that makes it a very, very sound product. in itself. So just those two alone makes it the best in the world. Initial investment. So what's the initial investment? Benjamin, what's the initial investment? Benjamin, do me a favor, sir. We've been talking. Inbox me when you can, Benjamin. Everybody's asking for the initial investment of he said 1,000, right, Russell? 1,000?
Yes, yeah, exactly.
Okay. I'm just scrolling down. How much to start entry level for small investors? So, John, as far as the startup, sir, I like to talk about that inside of my inbox. Okay, so message me or whoever. If you saw this on Russell's page or his YouTube channel, get with him. Okay, because I want to give him credit as well, guys. All right, entry level for small investors. So when you actually get the software, we tell you the minimum to put in your broker is $500 minimum. Okay, you want to give the software room to work. If you can go higher than 500, that's better. That is better. Sammy said, can you confirm? From what I understand, once our account reaches 5,000, we no longer have to pay the account management fee, but instead pay the performance fee. Okay, so Sammy, it sounds like you must be already in from your comment. So do me a favor, Sammy. Find me on Facebook. Okay, find me on Facebook, and I will answer that privately for you. Okay. Willie Lee, I will get with you, sir. I got you covered. Russell, I got you. Adrian's on point. So Adrian is another personal customer of mine, ladies and gentlemen. Adrian has been using it Adrian hasn't been a month yet for you. I know it's been a short amount of time, but Adrian is also profiting on a daily basis, guys. Can you explain about having an account? Okay, can you explain about having an account manager and why so you're asking, what's the benefit of having an account manager? Russell, I'm gonna let you answer that, buddy. What's the benefit, Russell, of having an account manager?
Well, one thing about an account manager, they know more than we do. I mean, Julius has been managing my account, and he's done a phenomenal job. I couldn't have asked for better. But as you learn how to trade Forex, I believe that you should actually take advantage of account management so that you don't make a lot of blunders and lose a lot of money. And that's really the advantage of having an account manager. Get with Ontarian, and he will save you a lot of headaches when it comes to trading.
Absolutely. And one of the adjustments, see, as an account manager, we understand how to look at the Forex news and what's coming up. So we all know the election is coming up next week. So we're making adjustments as account managers to our clients' accounts so that they're safe. And then we're just making strategic adjustments as the election is coming up. So just know that we have your best interest in heart as account managers, and we know exactly what we're doing. The other EAs out there that are out there in open space, right? There's a lot of them. I guarantee you they don't have account managers. Guarantee you. Okay. Again, I've used a couple of them. So we as account managers, that's one of the benefits of having us. We will make sure your account is safe and that it continues to do what it's supposed to do. All right.
All right.
Who manages the account? Hey, honey, you about to go? No, my wife about to run. You want to say hi to everybody?
Hi, everybody.
Raymond Hawkins.
All right, honey. Be careful.
Oh, I can wear this Louis Vuitton.
Yeah. Go ahead. The little black part should be up there too. Yeah.
Yeah.
What broker do you recommend? So there's two we recommend inside of the USA, and then there's two we recommend internationally. Russell, which one are you using?
I'm using Hugo's Way.
Hugo's Way is a good one. That's a good one. I'm using Trader's Way. Okay. And I also have a Hugo's Way account as well. So an account manager is needed along with the software in order for it to better. I would say yes, Stephen. I would say yes. Especially you have no education or nothing, you know nothing about the Forex market. Account management is going to be the best thing you're gonna need. Okay. There's only a few of us account managers, including myself, and we understand trading. We understand the Forex market. Okay. And we've had countless hours and experience of it. So having us in your back corner, in your back pocket, is going to be beneficial.
Absolutely.
Any other questions? These are good questions, guys. Johnny, I missed you, bro. You said who manages your account? You must be talking to Russell. Julius manages Russell's account, Johnny. Julius does. All right. I got you covered, John Maxwell. I see you, sir. Sayan, please message me, sir. We'll get you that information. Okay. Willie said he's going to need account management for sure. All right, Willie, we got you covered, sir. We got you covered. Let me look on. Look one more place here. See if we got any more questions here. We're almost done. All right. What broker? How much is it? Okay. Any other questions, guys? This has been dynamic. Russell, we appreciate you, bro. Man, hey, guys, this guy's about to retire from his job.
Thanks to you, my brother. Thanks to you, man.
All praises, all praises. How much is account management, or does it have a range? So $50 a week or $200 a month for account management. Very affordable. Okay, very, very affordable, guys. For the account management. How much do you need to invest to make $7,000? Now, Sion, that is a very broad question. Now, you're talking about $7,000 in a month, $7,000 in 90 days. What time frame are you looking for that 7,000? Okay. Now, again, I can't get on here and claim and say you're going to make $7,000 in this amount of time frame. I can't do that. Okay. We're dealing with the Forex market. We're dealing with the investing. So that is I can't do that. Now I can tell you that on average, the software has been averaging. Again, these are not guaranteed numbers, but it's been averaging 10 to 30% a month. Would you say that's probably about right, Russell?
Yep, that's absolutely right.
Okay, 10 to 30% per month, guys, on average. Not guaranteed, just what I've seen. Okay, in a month. Okay, so you're saying $7,000 in a month. Now Russell's made about that. He's made actually over $8,000 in a little over a month. Okay, so you're asking how much you need to invest. That's something I would like to talk to you personally in my inbox about, sir. Okay, all right. I'd like to talk to you about that personally in my inbox. Just message me and I'll get that answer to you. Okay, I'll give you a ballpark figure of what you need. Again, not guaranteed, but a ballpark figure. One more question, Russell, then I'll let you go, man, and I'm gonna talk to the people and show them the calculator on the power of compounding. Okay, so last question is, how much would you pay now that you know what this can do or what it's been doing for you? How much total would you pay for this if you didn't know the current price?
To be truthful with you, bro, I would have paid 10 grand for it.
You would have paid 10 grand.
I would have paid 10 grand for the AZHA software.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, I've almost already made that back now. So, you know, if I'd have paid 10 grand for the software, you know, my investment, you know, just about would have been returned to me within what, 6 weeks.
6 weeks or so.
Yeah.
Man, that's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. So guys, there you have it. Does the software only make winning trades? So the software, let me show you something. Let me show you something real quick. The software, it wins most of the time. Let me just say that. It wins most of the time. But I'm going to show you, if you guys can see my phone. Okay. Now, you see the blues? See the blues? But you see some reds in there, right? That means the reds are losing. But you see more blues and reds. Okay, so there's going to be reds inside of inside the AZHA trader is going to have red losing trades. But the overall picture you want to look at is the profit at the bottom. Is it profiting? And again, on my end and on Russell's end, the answer is yes. Okay, I'm in profit. So it does take the software as you start to use it, Stephen. It's very, like I said before, it's very sophisticated. It does hedge, okay? It does hedge trades which means if there is a sell in place, okay, and it feels like it's going to go the other way, it'll place a buy to hedge out the trade, okay? It does that. It does the Martingale strategy to catch the retracements. That's mostly what it does. But if it feels like it has to hedge to break even or to gain a small profit, it'll do that too, okay? That's why I say it's very, very sophisticated. All right. Need info to start. Okay. Sarita, I got you. Gene, I got you. Again, guys, thank you for coming on. I'm going to, Russell, thank you, brother. I'm looking forward to what's your account's going to be the next 90 days.
Hey, you know I'm going to share it with you, my brother.
I know you are, man. I know you are. I can't wait. I can't wait, man. So, and looking forward to your retirement, bro.
Man, I appreciate you, man. I really appreciate you, bro.
You got to throw a party, man. Throw a party.
Hey,
bro.
I'm going to bring my fiance down there. We're going to celebrate.
Let's do it. Let's do it, bro. Hey. My wife, well, COVID is going on. We got plenty of room here, man, but we probably have to do a hotel or something.
Yeah, hey, we coming down, bro. We coming down.
Let's do it. Let's do it. And I see in the future, you know, Lord will, I see in the future, AZHA cruise, AZHA trader cruise, or you know, like a getaway, you know, with all the members, most of the members, or you know, bro.
Hey, we got to do it, man. We got to do it.
It's coming. Absolutely. Well, Russell, thank you for your time, my man. It's always a pleasure.
All right, man.
And we'll be in touch, my friend.
All right, my brother.
All right. Have a good one. Take care. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. There you have it. There you have it. Documentation beats conversation. Before I end this, what I want to do is show you the possibilities of this software. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I have a Forex calculator. Let me share my screen, and I'm almost done here. I'm going to share my screen. All right, you guys should be able to see my screen. Let me make sure. Can you guys see my screen? Type yes if you can. Type yes if you can. Type yes if you can. I think you guys can, right? Can you guys see my screen? Oh, there we go. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. So this is a Forex compounding calculator. And I'm going to show you guys. Well, let me show you this first. Because you know, you've heard me say something. You've heard me say something like compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. And I'm not kidding with you. Look at this. Go to images. Who said that? Einstein said that. Look at what he said. Look over to the right. He said compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Now, check this out. Look what he said right here. See if I can bring it up a little bigger. There we go. All right, here we go. Look what he said. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Now, I just made something up 2 weeks ago. I said residual income is the 9th wonder of the world. I just made that up. Residual income is the 9th wonder of the world. If you don't have residual income, ladies and gentlemen, you need residual income. Why do you need residual income? Because every single month you got residual bills, your cell phone bill, your house note, your rent, your car note is coming in. These companies, corporations understand residual income. All right. So you need that in your back pocket too. But today we're talking about compound interest. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. All right. What does that mean? We inside of the AZHA Trader understand compound interest, ladies and gentlemen. We understand leverage. We understand putting our money to work for us. Okay, so we understand it. What does that mean? If we understand it, that means we earn it. And he who does it, you guys are not a part of this thing. If not making your money work for you, if you're not earning interest on your money, guess what? You're paying it. You're doing one or the other. You're earning from it, capitalizing on it, or you're paying that thing. It's guaranteed. Okay, so let me show you the power. Let me show you the power of what we have here. Let's say, hypothetically, again, guys, I'm going to show you here. I got to give a disclaimer. I'm not saying this is going to happen exactly like it is going. I'm going to show you here. I can't say that. I can't say what I'm going to put here is going to be exactly how it's going to happen. No, okay, I'm just giving you a hypothetical situation. Okay. So let's just say we start out with $5,000. We put $5,000 in the Forex AZHA Trader account. And let's just say that the AZHA Trader does 20% per month, okay? And let's do that for 12 months. Now, 20% per month is 5% per week, which is 1% per day, 5 days a week. The Forex trading, can't even talk right now. The Forex trading market is open 5 days a week. Now, if you're trading cryptocurrency, it's open for you 7 days a week. But most people are not trading. There's a lot of people that trade crypto, but majority of the people trade the regular foreign currencies 5 days a week. And again, like you heard Russell say, and it's true, Mondays are usually slow days. Fridays, same thing. So a majority of your volume is going to come from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the Forex market. Okay, so $5,000, 20%, 12 months. The power of this, guys, check this out. This is real numbers. Calculate. And I'm going to show you over here first. So your $5,000 a month turns to $6,000 if you did 20%. Now, look, this is the power of leverage and compound. Now, what's going to happen is you have a new balance of $6,000. Now, this is the new balance that's going to be traded. Now, 20% of $6,000 is going to be $7,200. The next month, you have $7,200 that's going to be traded, and vice versa. And it goes all the way down. And at the end of 12 months, we have $44,580, guys. Okay, from $5,000. Now, what you do next is take that 44. If you never touch it, and this is why we say this is more powerful than any 401k ever. 44,580 for 20 months. Not 20 months, 20% per month for 12 months. This is going to blow your mind, okay? Calculate now in 2 years, your account balance, and here's the proof right here how it goes up and compounds itself. Your balance is going to be $397,479.76, guys. Can you say wow to that? Okay. Can you say, where else are you going to have your money work for you like that? Where else? Where else are you going to have leverage and compounding like that? Okay. So get yourself, guys, involved in what we have with AZHA. And on the other side, get yourself involved with learning the Forex trading skill set. I have another opportunity I'm in called Epic Trading, guys, where we teach you hands-on how to trade the Forex market. All right. And I actually have a bonus going on, a special going on right now with the rebate. I get you set up, show you how to copy and paste to start earning over here with us in Epic Trading as well. Okay, within your first 5 days, you should be up and running. All right, that's what we do. That's what we do. Okay, so that is my time, ladies and gentlemen. I have man, I've been on for a little while. Let me stop this. Let me stop this. All right, cool. Cool. Did that all make sense, guys? So what I just shared with you on the numbers and everything, the compound interest, the leverage, did that all make sense? Drop me a emoji or fire emoji in the comments if that all made sense to you guys. Okay, if that all made sense to you, drop me a fire emoji. Whatever you got to do, say, hey, Ontarian, you hit the nail on the head. I'm ready to get started. If you're ready to get started, guys, comment below. I'm ready. Tell me and say, hey, send me the link right now. Comment below that I'm ready. And just say, send me the link right now, Ontarian. Okay. For those of you who want to learn this skill as well, just comment below. I'm ready to learn this skill as well too. And I will get you set up as soon as possible. Okay. So guys, again, that's my time. Thank you all for coming to this video. It's been a delight. It's been a joy. And I'm looking for another testimonial story, another breakthrough story. Russell's story is a breakthrough story, guys. Within 2 months, he is looking to, he know, and he's confident that he's going to walk away from his job of 25 years. That is why I go so hard online. This is why I go so hard online and share what I do online, guys. I can keep this. I could have kept this to myself. Did you guys know that? I could have kept this information, this AZHA trader, to myself. I could have held it in. I could have held it in just like this and not told a single soul. But the kind of person that I am, I like to share. I'm a marketer, but I also like to share. I like to give value. I want to see people make passive income. I want to see people break free from their job. If that's your desire, some of you love your job, but many of you that I've talked to over the years, you're ready to get out of that 9 to 5. Okay, that's why I go so hard, and I'm gonna continue to go hard as I can. Just like I'm just starting over in the entrepreneurship field, because I know there's many of you out there, you've been looking for something like this. You've been looking for your breakthrough. This is it. Okay. So without further ado, guys, I'm done. If you're on YouTube, the link to join is going to be below the video. Okay. Do me a favor as well. Find me on Facebook under Ontarian Hawkins. Add me, message me, whatever you got to do to track me down. I'm not hard to find. Not hard to find at all. Let's get you started to making passive income. And I'm looking forward to helping you break free from the 9 to 5. Okay. And I'm looking forward to another breakthrough story like Russell. Powerful. Okay. Powerful. This is what I do. This is why I do what I do. So take care, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. For those of you on Facebook, you're ready to get started, I will get with you. You can also inbox me and I'll get you started. Okay. Take care. Talk to you soon. Peace.